Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an offer in Vinted in 2025. If you want to make an offer at a different price, then feel free to simply click on the item that you want to make an offer on, and you can either select buy now to buy it for that price listed here, or make an offer. Once you click on it, enter the custom price or select 20% off, 10% off. I will select custom price and let's type in 30. Then you can click on offer. I won't do that because I don't really want to text that seller. I don't want to buy these shorts, but once you do it, that offer will be sent to an inbox. In messages, you'll see a conversation with that seller, and you will be notified in inbox whether they have agreed or not. They also can make a different offer, for example, in the middle. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.